Hi and welcome to another Excel tutorial. In this one we'll be looking at how to enter, format and calculate with time. Now I've got a simple example here of a staff rota for Fred's shop, including himself. He just wants to know what time people start, what time they finish, how many hours they've worked and how much he has to pay them. Fairly standard thing for any business really. When you enter time, there's a few rules to observe. Now, if I enter Fred's time as 9 AM, his start time, I could just type in 9 AM. But that wouldn't work as far as Excel's concerned. It wouldn't calculate with that because it's just a piece of text. So we need to enter it in such a way that Excel will deal with it as a number that it can calculate with. And to do that, instead of just typing 9 AM, we type 9 space A. It looks a bit similar, but the space bit is critical. Press enter. And Excel recognises that as a time entry. 9 AM. Now let's say Fred's finish time is 5:30. I can enter that by typing 5 for the hour, colon, type the minutes obviously, 30, spacebar, letter P, press enter. 5:30 PM. And again, if I go back to that cell and look in the formula bar, you will notice that Excel has formatted that in its own format, but in a 24-hour clock as opposed to a 12-hour clock. You can actually enter times in a 24-hour version if you want to, or a 12-hour version. Obviously, if you want a 12-hour clock, you need to indicate that by putting the A for AM and the P for PM. So in the next one on down, I could simply type in 09:00 for 9 o'clock. And then I could type, say, 18:00 for 6 PM. And Excel's quite happy with that format as well. Now I'm going to reformat those so they're in the format that I want. So I'm going to select those two cells. And if you want to reformat time, what you do is obviously select the cells you want to change, go to Format, choose Cells. Now there are some built-in time formats, but I'm going to go to the Custom Settings again here. And there's one I'm particularly interested in, which is this one here, which has got the H for hours, colon, MM for minutes, and then it's got an AM PM indicator. So if I click on that, click OK, that will then reformat those numbers to a 12-hour clock. And I'll just add in Jim's hours as well. So he comes in at 9:30 AM and he leaves, let's say, who knows, well, let's say he goes at 5:30 as well. So 5